What I'm doing in this video is quite controversial. I am pouring a concrete slab without using any forms. I am doing this for two reasons. The first is that when I've typed in pouring concrete without forms on YouTube, nothing really comes up. So getting to make one of the first videos with that kind of title seemed cool to me. The second and much bigger reason I did this is just to prove a point. In construction, we love to argue about which method is right, which tool is right. As C.S. Lewis once said, two of a trade never agree. So for all the people who disagree that it's even possible to pour concrete without any wooden forms, this video is for you. One of my biggest living inspirations is a man named Dave Montoya, who has a company on the other side of the country called LearnCrete. And this man's work is amazing. Him and his team basically freehand sculpt backyard living spaces using pre-mixed truckloads of mortar, and then they shovel it into desired shapes, doing different things to finish it as it slowly dries. The end result is massive walls, patios, fountains, ponds, and fire pits, all made out of sculpted sand and cement. And no form boards are used. I will put the link to his YouTube channel in the description. Please go check him out after this video. Now, as cool as this method is to me, I actually prefer using form boards. I usually use form boards because it is easier most of the time. But like I said before, I wanted to prove a point with this project and this video, so I did it without any forms. The only thing I messed up on in this project is that I was supposed to make the edge cuts the same day as the pour, but something came up and I had to leave the job site before I could get to that. So I ended up cutting the edges with my angle grinder on the following day. But normally when I do something like this, I would just cut the edges with my trowel a few minutes later. It's like slicing through butter. Lastly, to tie the old slab in with the new extension, I applied some patio paints and a clear sealer to the whole thing, and here is the end result. If you enjoyed this video, please share it on your social media. You can show your support by subscribing to this channel and checking out my other videos. Thank you so much, and take care.